Welcome to Quiet Wild Stories. Here, we explore the hidden lives of animals, their strange adaptations, quiet resilience, and gentle beauty. Subscribe to the channel and join our journey. The sheep, the soft-footed wanderers of field and hill. Across rolling hills where the wind moves like a quiet breath over grass and heather, a small flock grazes in the morning light. Their wool catches the sun, glowing softly against the landscape. With steady steps and calm eyes, sheep embody a peaceful rhythm, a life shaped by open fields, gentle companionship, and the quiet passage of seasons. Today, we're exploring the world of the sheep, a gentle grazer with ancient origins, a creature deeply connected to human history, and an animal whose calm presence has shaped pastoral landscapes for thousands of years. Sheep evolved in rugged, mountainous regions, and their bodies still reflect that heritage. Sure-footed hooves for uneven ground, wide peripheral vision to watch for danger, thick wool that protects against cold and rain, and strong flocking instincts for safety. Even in peaceful pastures, these ancient traits guide their movements and behavior. Sheep are natural grazers, spending much of their day nibbling on grasses, herbs, and low plants. Their grazing helps shape the land, preventing overgrowth, supporting wildflowers, creating habitats for insects and birds. Their slow, steady movement across fields is part of a natural cycle that has supported ecosystems for millennia. Sheep have remarkable vision, nearly 300 degrees, allowing them to see almost all around without turning their heads. This wide field of view helps them stay aware of their surroundings, a vital adaptation for prey animals living in open spaces. Their eyes, calm and reflective, give them a gentle, thoughtful appearance. Sheep are deeply social animals. They form strong bonds within their flock, often choosing specific companions they prefer to rest beside or follow. Their communication is subtle. Soft bleats, ear movements, body posture, close, comforting contact. A flock moves as one, guided by trust and familiarity. Within this quiet social world, sheep find safety and belonging. Sheep's wool is one of nature's most remarkable fibers. It insulates even when wet. It breathes, keeping the body cool or warm. It grows continuously, requiring regular shearing, and it's naturally fire-resistant and biodegradable. For thousands of years, wool has provided warmth, comfort, and protection to people around the world. Sheep were among the first animals domesticated by humans over 10,000 years ago. They traveled with early civilizations, shaping cultures, economies, and landscapes. Yet despite their long partnership with humans, sheep retain the instincts of their wild ancestors, a love for open fields, gentle routines, and the safety of the flock. Ewes form strong bonds with their lambs, recognizing them by voice and scent within hours of birth. Lambs stay close, learning the rhythms of grazing, resting, and following the flock. Their soft bleats and playful hops bring a sense of renewal to spring pastures. Domestic sheep rely on humans for care and protection. They face risks from predators, harsh weather, parasites, poor nutrition, and isolation from the flock. Thoughtful, humane care ensures that sheep live peaceful, healthy lives. In closing, sheep are more than familiar figures in fields. They are gentle, intelligent animals shaped by landscapes, seasons, and centuries of companionship with humans. To watch a flock move across a hillside or rest beneath a tree is to witness a creature perfectly attuned to calmness and community. Their presence reminds us of the quiet beauty of pastoral life and the deep connections between animals and the land they inhabit.